At a time when people were planning to say goodbye to the long, hard winter season, cold wave is back as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. Especially Kashmir Valley last at least 1 week has seen incessant, non-stop heavy rainfall. To add to that, fresh snowfall as far as mountainous areas and even plains are concerned. So that has led to a sharp dip in temperatures where in some areas, temperatures have plummeted to 0 degrees, which obviously has brought snowfall. There was also this worry about water shortage, because winters, while they were harsh, but they were dry. The kind of snowfall Valley witnessed was not seen in the snowfall months of December, January and February. And as the experts were raising the alarm about water scarcity and the fact that summers could bring, there could be acute shortage of water, the skies opened up and we have had bumper snowfall and rainfall last at least 10 days, intermittently and non-stop if you talk of the last 3-4 days. So the rainfall deficit in one go has been wiped out, and however, what it has also brought is this cold wave. It's extreme cold right now. Jackets, parents are back as far as Valleyites are concerned, and the impact effect of this snowfall, this cold wave, is being felt across North India as temperatures have definitely come down. We talk of the northwestern Himalayan region which has received snowfall. That includes Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, where again cold wave or cold conditions are back. IMD says that this weather they attributed to the strong western disturbance and then to the moisture content in the Arabian Sea, which is sucked into this region by the western disturbance, and that really is bringing in this heavy rainfall. This activity is going to continue for another 24 hours, and only after that the weather may improve for some days. Camperson Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.